Good morning and welcome back to Via Brief. Today I'm filming a day in my life vlog, which will be a regular vlog as well as a studio vlog put together, so this is what I do today. I'll be going to hmart and fulfilling the orders, also making pizza and doing post office runs. As always, before I start, don't forget to subscribe as it really means a lot. So let's get started. First thing today, I went to hmart. We got some cheese and sausage corn dogs that are deep fried. I got the ones with the potatoes on the outside. And we also got some kimbap. After checking out, we went to a nearby park and had a little picnic. Here I'm adding the description as well as some of the cards and end screens for my previous videos. I also have to update a few of my older thumbnails to make them up to standard. I also need to add timestamps for each video so the chapters can be shown, and add the affiliate links in the description. I have just finished printing a bunch of the sticker sheets that are in low stock or we have no stock of them. So I'll be cutting it with the Cricut and then I'll be back. The Cricut has finished cutting all these sticker sheets, and now it's time to use the paper cutter to cut off the edges as well as separate the individual sheets. All of these sticker sheets are up in the shop, and you guys can check them out in the description if you'd like. Here are all of the sticker sheets, restocked today. Here are the rest of the sticker sheets in stock. I will sort them and count the inventory on my phone. Right now I'm going to start making the orders and fulfilling them. Here I have about 4 orders that I have to complete. I have 3 pronouns masks, 2 they them, 1 she her, and then I also have this fruit notepad, so let's get started. The first order I'm packing here is for Teresa. She got a she her pronouns mask with a teal embroidery and on cream fabric. Inside the envelope, I've already prepped some freebie stickers as well as the handwritten thank you note and the coupon code for next time. This next order is a they them mask for Erin. They got a purple embroidery thread as well as on a black fabric. The last pronouns mask I packaged today was for Soul. They requested the embroidery in white, pink, and blue, which is the trans flag colors, which I thought was a really interesting touch. They posted an Instagram story about us, which I will insert right here, which I thought was amazing. The last order I packed today was this fruit notebook for Emily. This is a regular size notebook and they chose to have no personalization, but you can choose to have your own name personalized on each page. Right now in the shop I have about 5 regular sized and mini notebook sets. You can get them personalized or not personalized, so make sure to go check that out in the description. We will have more notebooks releasing soon. love to add a bunch of stickers on the outside of the envelopes, and here I'm just doing a quick post office run. We got a new wood burning oven, so here's my first attempt to make pizza in the wood oven. The pizza actually turned out so good, and I'm really excited to make it again. Thank you guys for staying all the way until the end. I hope you love this vlog, and let me know if you want to see any other videos in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!